Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I want to share with you the Starlink Mini. If you haven't considered getting Starlink, this is probably the time to consider it because they have a huge deal right now. The Mini never goes on sale. It's $200 off and it's yours. You can keep it forever. It should last 10 plus years according to Starlink, SpaceX that is. And they come with three options: $5 a month for emergency use, $50 a month for 50 gig of download, and 120 for unlimited downloads and data use, that is download upload. So it comes in this box, very compact. And let's go ahead and open this up. So they have a tab on the side here. And then they have a tab on the side here. Place this down. Another tab on this side. So three-corner tab you pull on. Opens like that. So you can see there's instruction up here on the top of the box. So let's go ahead and take these out and take a look at the instructions. So you get this satellite receiver with the kickstand. Very durable. Made out of hard plastic, but soft to the touch. And then you have this wire cable. This is pretty long, actually. So I bought extension thinking that I would need an extension, but looks like I don't need it. It's a good length power cord, and that's all you need. So here's the bracket, this metal foundation inside. Has a little hex screw right there with the tool to remove it. The hex screw, metal components inside for the skeleton, and this is so you can mount the pole. Use this. I think it goes in like that, yeah. So they give you two adapters. Pretty awesome. And then your charging block or power block. Get that in focus there. Is that my hand? Is that dirty? No, it's just the shading of it. From Starlink, SpaceX. This is made in Vietnam. Interesting. Not made in China, made in Vietnam. Here's your user instruction guide with all the regulation. And that essentially is it. Plug and play. Now let's take a look at the actual instruction. So I'm going to move this so you can see it better. So you start off with, let's see here. You select your brackets, so the kickstand or the pole, and then you plug it in. Step 1. Step 2, download the app, which I already done. And then step 3, angle it to the sky. So away from the trees, away from buildings, but at a 110 degree. and then search for the Wi-Fi, search for Starlink, connect it Starlink, and that is it. 5 steps. So easy. Very easy. 5-step Starlink. Comes with the charging block, 2 brackets, this long extension power cord, and the Starlink receiver itself. Pretty neat. They make it so easy to install. And then of course you can purchase an extension wire, it works with it. I'm also going to show you how I'm going to mount this on a vehicle. So let's go ahead and open this up. And with Starlink Mini, you can get up to 300 download. So that's pretty quick for something that is as mobile as this. So I got the unique one with the 2 suction mount. I like this one because it has the press in to increase the suction and then lock it down. But this one, let me show you how it's supposed to look like once you have it mounted. I'll post a link on this in the description of this video as well. So that's how you mount it. So it's universal. You can mount it facing up or facing down and have it in reverse. It has these lock mechanism. And there's a locking bracket there. And the picture doesn't show how this is locked in, but it does have that connector for the brackets. So just like that. And then now you can slide it onto the Starlink. Just like that. Locks in just like that. I like this versus the 4 suction cup. That's just way too many suction cup for something that is this small. And then it's easy removable. You just pull on this tab here and then pull it out. Very easy. Super easy. So that's the bracket for the vehicle. And let's do some measurements. How wide this thing is. It's really small actually. So this is actually only about 10 inches, give or take. 10 by 12. It's basically a size of a piece of paper, or your printer paper, almost the size of your printer paper. So this is the size of printer paper. It's slightly wider by about 1.5 inches. But look, this is the size. This is what gets you 300 megabytes. Whatever the download upload is, you get 300 down in about 20-30. So basically it's like regular internet at home that you pay about $50-$60 to Spectrum, for example, or Verizon. This is non-fiber optics, of course. So if you don't have fiber optics in your area, this could be the best solution. $50 a month. Very affordable, and you can turn it off when you're not using it. For example, you're on vacation, you can switch to $5 a month and only use it for emergency, for texting and such forth, if you need to use data for that, or emails, and they give you up to 5 gig on that. If you recall, back in the days, phone companies only give you about 5 to 10 gig, and that's all the data you get. Any over usage, you get charged. So this, you just flip it back on instantly, $50 a month, or unlimitedly 120, and gives you data. And you can take this with you. What internet service provider can you actually take with you on the road? So you're traveling to another country where you don't want to buy a hotspot, or you're in the middle of nowhere, you're camping, or you even when you're hiking, and you're gonna camp somewhere, there's bad reception. This is really the solution. So right now you can get $200 off, free 1 month, if you use the link in the description of this video or in the comments. I'll pin it to the comments as well. So $250 right now, first free month, and $200 off. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, we'll do a follow-up review on the speed of the internet connection, and we'll give you an update shortly, but definitely consider getting it now. You can have a 30 days trial and return anytime as well.